Hey guys, so I had quite a few people after posting up that I've got the Borla XS Pro mufflers on in exchange for the bullets ask for a video because I really like the sound of these mufflers. So, here's some normal voice talking. I'm going to throw on some music and then we'll fire up the car just so you get an idea of what they actually sound like audio level wise. This is about where I'd listen to the radio at, maybe a little louder under normal circumstances. Motor's dead cold. Been sitting for overnight. So it's volume level 14, which really isn't all that loud. It's comfortable. So now that I've bored you for a minute, let's give it a couple pumps of gas. Alright, she's cold. It's got oil pressure. The idiot light's set at 30 psi. I'm having problems with this gauge. I don't know why. So here's with the windows up, door closed. Obviously the idle's high on it. That should give you an idea about how it sounds.